Hey everyone, Horace here from Rearview Safety. Today we are doing the unboxing video of our RVS-77555. That's our 1080p Full HD 360 system with built-in recording. First item you'll find in the box is, of course, our instruction manual. This has all the instructions needed for calibration, installation, etc., as well as troubleshooting. The next item that you'll find in the box are these 4 cameras. These are HD fisheye cameras, so they have an ultra-wide lens. And that enables them to, even if you have a vehicle that's up to 50 feet long, you would only need one of these cameras on the sides to be able to see the entire side. Really, really great image, really, really sharp and crisp. So we have 4 of those. The next item you find in the box is our control module. So this control module is essentially the main hub whereby all the different components of the system come together. We have our camera connection over here. We have our HDMI connection for our monitor. We have our main power harness connection over here. This is where we would connect our SD cards as well. And so it all comes through this main control module. Next item that we have in the box is our remote control for the DVR. Here we have our power harness for the DVR. This would plug into the back. This has your power wires, your ground wires, different sensors and triggers as well. 4 20-meter extension cables. So these are for each one of the cameras, and they are what lead from the camera back to the main control module. So these are 60 feet long, one for each camera. 4 rubber mounting pads for each camera as well. A screw installation kit for the control module. Next thing we have is our camera harness. So this is the inputs from all 4 cameras from around the vehicle, as well as an infrared connection. Now the infrared would be to extend the range of the remote. So this is our infrared extender, and this would connect to the back of the harness over here, and then that would enable you to use the remote from a distance. Here we have a Wi-Fi antenna. Wi-Fi antenna is if you would like to do the camera system setup using a computer. So you would connect this to the control module on the back, and that would enable you to establish a Wi-Fi network where you can do the entire setup of the 360 system remotely with a computer. These are 2 keys to use for the DVR, so you'll be able to securely lock all your footage over there, and these will be the 2 keys used to open it. And the final item in this box are 2 rolls of tape. This is special tape that's used in the calibration process for this system. We have a whole video for that as well. You can find it on YouTube, whereby we go through the calibration instructions step by step, and you'll also find that information in your manual that comes with a box as well as online. Moving on to the next box over here, this is our box. It has our 10-inch HD color monitor. The system also comes with the option for a 7-inch screen, but this is the 10-inch option. Again, full HD 1080p. First item in the box again is the manual, and this gives you the instructions for setup of this monitor. And over here we have our 10-inch screen. Again, 1080p Full HD, really sleek design, really, really crisp. Nice image. And coming out the back over here, this is the connection to the power harness. Over here we have our HDMI wire, so this would connect to the back of the monitor, and then that would go from here to the control module. This is the power harness for the monitor, as well as a remote to power on the monitor and to navigate the menu. Next item is our monitor mount, as well as 4 monitor adjustment screws, a U-bracket to mount the monitor, and the final item in the box is a sunshade to protect that monitor from sun. So that's our unboxing video for our RVS-77555. Thank you so much for watching. It's a really great system. We're really, really proud of it, really, really happy about it. This is just a little brief overview. There's tons more information on our website, www.rearviewsafety.com, or give us a call at 1-800-764-1028, and drive safe.